Hi, welcome back to Hostboxcse channel and back to the tutorial for operating system. This is a tutorial definitely helpful for who are preparing the competitive exam like GATE, NET, and who are want to learning the basics of operating system and so on. In the previous session, I explained about the system called what is fork, why we need on one. So you have idea about fork means what? It always creates the duplicate or new process. Remember, parent and child or child and parent. So today we are going to see the small questions on fork system called the explanation. So this kind of questions may ask frequently in the GATE, NET and all competitive exam. Today I will solve one question that definitely you can solve remaining yourself. Please support our channel. Let's go for sessions today. Let's have a small example program where start with the stdio.h, ini stdio.h. Here int main is there. So the program must should start with int main condition. Then if So if fork and then fork off, then fork, then the statement given here print hello, then return 0. Now what will be the output of the program? That means how many times it will print the hello here. So by default you know the program start with the parent where child return always 0 and parent always return the positive value. Here so first what 0 plus 1 you know 0 plus positive false or else positive plus 0 also false here you have to remember. So positive plus positive true. That is you have to remember here. So here generally if fork means what? It always return the 0, 0 and then other condition given. So what are the other condition it won't take care. So it won't take and execute the statement. So it will by default print the hello statement first time. Remember. So parent by default create the child process and if fork will return 0 and so if 0 another also 1 or whatever there by default it won't return anything. So we can't leave like this, but we can go for other session. So again, one more option 4 given. So again, the parent will be here and create the child process. Child process already return the 0 and parent process already return the positive value. So again, could go and check it. Again, condition what? 0 plus 1 and fork. The statement won't be executed. So by directly it will return. It will print the hello value here. Child process the hello. So now next is so here what you understand 0 and 0 and 1 is false only or else 1 and 0 means what again false. So last chance what happen it will by default it create the parent will get the child parent will get child as well as the child means what return 0 so return 0 and it will create the new parent here sorry the parent will finally create child and parent. So what happened here the meaning is the fork will return the positive value and again another fork will return the positive value. At last it became the true. At last it became the true. So automatically print the child create one hello and parent get the another method hello. So total how many times it printing? Totally it print the 4. Totally it print the 4 times hello method here. So remember first first check the condition. If condition false it directly go and print the hello val and also again it is chance of parent mode. So parent again get the child and again parent at last both condition false again you will give the one chance by default. So again after giving the chance child create the hello one time and parent create the hello. So you have to think what will happen if or condition coming means or unconditioned means come in the question like that. So totally the answer is how many times hello print means it will print the 4 times. 4 times hello value in the output screen. This is all about the fourth system call. For any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media and thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.